Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back with a new hosting website. It's called WP Engine. So like usual, let me give you a short idea about this website. The WP Engine is a managed WordPress hosting service that provides a reliable and optimized platform for hosting WordPress websites. So to get started with WP Engine, simply head on over to WP Engine or wpengine.com. So this is the results I got after my search on Google. Let's choose this one, most trusted WordPress platform 2023, WP Engine. Click on it, and like you see with me here, this is the interface of the website. We will come back to it later after we create an account and show you how to use this website. So first thing, let's go to login over here. Click on it. If you will have already an account, you will just sign up with your email here. If this is the first time to you, let's sign up over here. Still need an account. Okay, let's click on this. This website is produce you the managed WordPress hosting and automatic updates and more. We will talk about them later. So to start first time in this website, we need to choose a plan. Like you see here, we have 3 plans with different services and different prices. $20 per month, $15 per month, $600 per month. And here all the support information on those plans. So let's start. Okay, let's like example, choose this one. I will not create an account on the website because I don't use it. I will just show you the different information that you will need to write. So let's try on this plan, the managed WordPress, because we have 3 plans here, and e-commerce solution for Woo and advanced solution. Okay, we will choose this one. Click on it. So we have over here 3 steps. The first one, the account. The second one, the information about the payment. And the third one, the complete and verification. So let's check out. The checkout subscription, we have annual or monthly. Okay, let's just let it in annual. To enhance your plan with powerful add-on, the site monitoring, smart login manager, global edge security, additional sites, Genesis Pro. Okay, let's choose the first one. Want us to monitor your site for issue because it's the cheapest one, the 15 plus years and lessons. We have different prices over here. Okay, the account information. The first name, let's enter it. The last name, the company. This is optional one if you have a name, so that's good. If you don't have, so just skip it. Okay, I will just make a name. Here you need to write your phone number with the number of your country before it, and the email. Okay, the account's name. Just let's do the same name on the company. The data center, let's choose your country that you live in. The United States of America. and apply. And now we have the second step. It's about payments. So here you need to write your payment card information, the name on card, and be careful because this information here needs to be correct and valuable because they will check out later. So be sure that it's correct. The name on the card and the number of the card right here. And here the month, this is the expiration date of the card. So need to write the month, the year, and the CVC code. You can find it behind of the card, the three last numbers. Okay. The billing address, that means the address that you live in. And the second one, this is optional, that means you can skip it. Your country is in United States already. The state or the region, you find here all the states. Okay. The city that you live in, it should be correct, like I said before. And the zip or the postal code. Okay. I will not write it behind now because I will not create an account on this website. I just show you different information, and after you writing this, you will click on here. That you have read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and you will just buy the order, and then you will create an account. So it's back to the interface page to see more about this website. Like I said before, we can choose any plan that you want. These are the services that they present to you. For the managed WordPress, this is the services that maximize speed, performance, and SEO, proactive threat blocking and security, automated WordPress and PHP updates, customizable themes and workflow tools, effortless one-click staging and backup. If you choose the e-commerce solution for you will find these services. It's all managed WordPress features plus managed WordPress hosting, 2+ faster page speed with Evercache, eliminated card fragments with live cards, auto-blogging updates for site safety, stripped connect integration, and more. And for the advanced solution, you will find all these services here and some other informations right here, and you will just click on buy and get in touch, excuse me. So, and here you will find other informations in any order that you just choose. So this is the interface page. And if you got over here, you will find the product, the resource, the why WP engine, that means why you need to choose this website or this hosting website and not the others websites. You can find here the person, the contact, and if you have already an account, like I said before, you will just log in. And this website is give you, like I said before, the managed WordPress hosting and the automatic updates and security monitoring and the daily backup, performance optimization, developer-friendly features and scalability, expert support, and more. So this is the end of the video. If you like it, please follow for more and do subscribe. So like usual, bye bye to the next video and the next website.